Upside Cashback App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how rewarding fueling up your car can be in 2025. Upside Cashback App helps you earn money back on gas, groceries and dining. But is it worth using? The surprising truth is effortless savings. Most people get this wrong by ignoring small cashback opportunities. With Upside, you earn cashback at participating gas stations, restaurants and grocery stores, often up to 25 cents per gallon on gas alone, making daily spending more rewarding. Another advantage is ease of use. You won't believe what happens next when you see how simple it is to link your credit or debit card, find offers, and claim cashback. The app provides notifications, location-based deals, and an intuitive dashboard for tracking earnings. However, there are cons. Cashback rates vary by location and retailer, and not all stations participate. Some users may find limited offers in rural areas, and bonuses often require paying with link cards, so cash transactions don't earn rewards. In conclusion, the Upside Cashback app in 2025 is ideal for anyone looking to earn extra money on everyday purchases like gas, groceries, and dining. While regional availability and card linking are factors to consider, its simplicity and tangible rewards make it a practical tool for everyday savings.